So we're going to change the thermostat on a 2015 Traverse. We took off the air intake, one screw, two screws. Take this off. Then you have this little cover that's held on by one 10mm bolt. The thermostat housing's right here. We have two clips, one right here, one back here, and the second one. It connects. You take this one off. You have 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3. It should come off. All right, guys. So be careful because the hose broke here, broke here, and it broke here. Look at that. So now figure out how to take these off in order to replace the housing. There's a 15mm bolt down here. You gotta kind of get out to get off the housing thermostat unit. It's a little tight, but you could fit it right here. So eventually the inlet and the outlet heater hose broke, so I had to completely remove both of them and replace them, which was expensive. It ended up coming out to $200 a piece. We got it plugged in there, there, back there. What could have been 30 minutes turned into 4 hours.